Water system making noise at 2 a.m.? Relax. That's your system cleaning itself. It's called regeneration, and it's totally normal. You might hear water running or a low hum for a while. That's the system rinsing and recharging so your water stays soft. It runs in the middle of the night on purpose. That's when nobody needs water, so the cleaning never gets in your way. Once in a while is perfect. Running constantly or water going to the drain all day. That's worth a check. System running nonstop or a sound that seems wrong? Then let us take a look. Need a hero? You know who to call.